What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on PROG ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next, and I will set several targets for the medium-term trades. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we might have a retracement, and this retracement should be quite massive, and it happened from this top to this lowest point. We have about 35% of movement to the downside. And I drew these lines several weeks ago, and as you can see, we have these two major lines as our support lines and resistance, and this line is a confluence in between this top of our B wave and these two tops. And as you can see, we have a double bottom pattern right here, and when I made my previous video, I've told you that double bottom pattern might indicate with a good volume that we might have a very good bounce to the upside, and it happened. So technically at this very point you can add your position, and from this point you might be up for about 14% to our current price and about 21% to this resistance. And this resistance is this line, this confluence with these two tops. It was the resistance right here, and as you can see, we hit it to the tick and had a bounce to the downside. So I will show you what should we expect from the technical standpoint in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. Let's start with the company profile. For those of you who don't know, Progenity, a biotechnology company, provides, develops and commercializes molecular testing products in the United States. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $704.12 million. They have a revenue of $75.07 million with a very good revenue growth of 265.62%, but they still have a negative net income of $230.07 million. And they have a total cash position of $54.14 million with a total debt of $157.83 million. And their current ratio is below 1. This means it is not so stable. This company is not so stable from the financial standpoint. They don't have enough cash to cover their losses and to cover their debts. That's why if we'll see continuation in this uptrend that we had previously, if this trend will continue, we might see their stock offering. And basically it's quite obvious to benefit from the massive surge in price in order to have more money on their balance sheet in order to operate for the longer period of time. So, and let me show you this news. We are on thestreet.com, and this article was published on November 18th, and it's titled "Progenity Stock Soars. Should Investors Still Jump In?" And let me quote you several facts. It is a FOMO-driven momentum, and right here, as you can see, we have this screenshot from appwisdom.io, and it was made on November 17th, and as you can see, Progenity was on the first place with the 746 mentions. And for now we still have this ticker on the second place, as you can see, but they have only 136 mentions. And it is quite usual to have lower mentions during the weekends, because a lot of people just want to be with their friends and family, and on top of that, all the stock markets are closed. And that's why we have lower levels, but still this company is on the second place. On top of that, let me show you right here, next subtitle, short interest at a high. And let me show you that according to Ortex data, they have at least 26% of short interest rate. And we have, let me show you right here, on fintel.io, we have 53.46% of short volume ratio, and this is a short volume from FINRA and dark pools combined. And it is very high short volume ratio. This means this company still has a possibility to squeeze all its shorts, and it has a rather high short borrow fee rate of 68.58%, but it has about 500,000 shares available for shorting. And previously it has only 65,000 shares. This means this number is quite concerning, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let's continue. Undervalued fundamentals. Let me quote you these two paragraphs. HC Wainwright's Joseph Panginis launched his PROG coverage with a buy rating and a $4 price target. Despite forecasting a share price below current levels, probably stale now due to their recent rally, his bull case is based on the company's differentiated portfolio and the opportunities that it offers. A few months ago, Piper Sandler's Stephen Ma raised its firm's price target on PROG to $5 from $3 with a buy recommendation. According to the analyst, his bull case relies on the validation study for pre-Claudia as a significant milestone for Progenity. He thinks that the US market opportunity for this preeclampsia test is around $2.3 billion. And let me show you this article. We are on investorplace.com. And it was published 2 days ago, and it's titled "Progenity has too many problems, not enough money," and I want to pay your attention only on several paragraphs. According to its Form 10Q for the quarter ended September 30th, 2021, the company specializes in the US molecular testing markets, serving women's health providers in the obstetric, gynecological, fertility, and maternal fetal medicine specialty areas. Worldwide, experts project that the broader women's health diagnostics market will hit $36.6 billion by 2025, up from $25 billion generated in 2020. That comes out to a compound annual growth rate of 7.9%, presenting a solid backdrop for Progenity. On top of that, Progenity's targeted subsegments also feature a robust addressable market. For instance, the global fetal monitoring market is projected to $5.2 billion by 2026 from $3.7 billion in 2021, at a compound annual growth rate of 7.2% from 2021 to 2026. States finding from researchandmarkets.com. And I have to say that this is quite a good forecast for its total addressable market, but still, this company has a lot of downsides in their fundamentals, and that's why we have to be cautious. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have very good bounce with a decent volume from this support line, and if this pivot holds, we might see a trend continuation. On top of that, we had a very good triple bottom from this level of about $2.84. And for those of you who watch my channel for quite some time, you already know that when we finished all 5 wave structure, it is only one wave on a greater scale. This means we can project the next targets, and these targets might be following. To project it, I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And as you can see, we hit our first target at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, and it is $6.18, and we hit it to the tick. But we have following targets: 1-to-1 extension level at $7.09, and even right here 1.618 extension level at $9.7. And if this pivot holds, we still have a possibility to hit this target, and from our current price we might have about 100% to 102% to our most aggressive target, about 47% to our second target, and about 28% to hit our swing high. And your stop loss might be right here at this point of about $4 range, because if we will break this support, this asset becomes more bearish than bullish, and we might see some lower price action, and we might hit even $2.82, this support line right here. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!